Desserts for a diabetic, a healthy choice. Living with diabetes often means making significant changes to your diet to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. However, having diabetes doesn't mean you have to give up on desserts altogether. With thoughtful planning and the right ingredients, desserts can be part of a diabetic-friendly diet. Here are some ideas for diabetes-friendly desserts and reasons why they can be a healthy choice. Understanding diabetes-friendly desserts. Diabetes-friendly desserts are those that have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. They typically contain low amounts of sugar, healthy fats, and are high in fiber. Key ingredients often include 1. Natural sweeteners. These include stevia, erythritol, and monk fruit, which have little to no effect on blood glucose. 2. Whole grains. Ingredients like whole wheat flour, oats, and quinoa provide fiber, which slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. 3. Healthy fats. Nuts, seeds, and avocados are excellent sources of healthy fats that can help maintain stable blood sugar levels. 4. Fruits. Berries, apples, and citrus fruits provide natural sweetness and are lower in sugar compared to other fruits. Ideas for diabetes-friendly desserts. 1. Berry Parfait. A parfait made with Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of nuts is a delicious and healthy dessert. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in carbohydrates, while berries provide antioxidants and fiber. 2. Chia Seed Pudding. Made with almond milk, chia seeds, and a touch of stevia or vanilla extract. This pudding is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. It's a satisfying dessert that helps regulate blood sugar levels. 3. Dark chocolate. Small servings of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, can satisfy sweet cravings without causing a significant spike in blood sugar. Dark chocolate is also rich in antioxidants. 4. Apple slices with nut butter. Sliced apples topped with almond or peanut butter provide a balanced mix of fiber, healthy fats, and protein. This combination helps to keep blood sugar levels stable. 5. Coconut flour. Cookies. These cookies can be made with coconut flour, eggs, stevia, and a small amount of dark chocolate chips. Coconut flour is low in carbohydrates and high in fiber. Reasons why these desserts are healthy choices. 1. Low glycemic index. Many diabetes-friendly desserts are made with ingredients that have a low glycemic index, GI. Foods with a low GI release glucose more slowly and steadily, which helps in better blood sugar control. 2. Rich in fiber. Fiber plays a crucial role in managing diabetes. It slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Desserts made with whole grains, fruits, and seeds are excellent sources of fiber. 3. Healthy fats. Including healthy fats in desserts can improve blood sugar control. Fats slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream and can help you feel full longer. Nuts, seeds, and avocados are great sources of these beneficial fats. 4. Natural sweeteners. Replacing refined sugar with natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit can significantly reduce the calorie and carbohydrate content of desserts. These sweeteners have little to no effect on blood sugar levels, making them ideal for diabetics. 5. Portion control. Many diabetes-friendly desserts are designed to be enjoyed in smaller portions. This helps manage caloric intake and prevents overeating, which is important for maintaining a healthy weight and blood sugar levels. 6. Nutrient-dense ingredients. By incorporating nutrient-dense ingredients such as berries, nuts, seeds, and dark chocolate, these desserts provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients support overall health and can help reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. 7. Satisfying and enjoyable. One of the key benefits of diabetes-friendly desserts is that they allow individuals to enjoy sweet treats without guilt or adverse health effects. This can improve mental well-being and make it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. Conclusion. Diabetes doesn't mean an end to enjoying desserts. With careful selection of ingredients and mindful portion control, it is possible to enjoy delicious and healthy desserts that support blood sugar management. Incorporating these diabetes-friendly dessert ideas into your diet can provide not only satisfaction, but also contribute to overall health and well-being. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes.